back to another video. Today's video we're going Today's we're playing a game called Chicken Gun. You might heard of it. Yeah. I made a server that actually called my YouTube channel with YT, like YouTuber, and it has 10 freaking players online for a whole 2 hours. Like what? How? So I'm filming a video right now. Every time I just want to talk or something, I have to cut. So I'm gonna say I'm filming a video right now to get his attention and stuff. I'll be right back. Just said it is in the chat. I'm filming a video right now. It's in the chat, yeah. You can read it if you want to. I'll read it for you. But this is the person who's calling me like not real and stuff, and I don't know. It's just very annoying. So I'm gonna tell him my YouTube name so he can watch this video and say hi to YouTube. For some reason, this dude has a we don't talk about that. It's been 32 seconds. Oh, thank God. If it's only 29 seconds, I already showed that, I will be cooked. I cannot play this video. I'll have to restart it. But good thing it's been more than 30 seconds. أنا بعمل فيديو اهو. انشرة ايش اعمل؟ انشرة شنك مليت. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Bro, what is this dude yapping about? Fake, unbelievable. Bro, he's just speaking gibberish. What the hell is going on? Yo. Why is there like sound? What the frick is going? What? I don't know what to do with today's video. I guess hunting or something. I'm gonna warn everybody before telling everybody I have to kill them and stuff. Let me just tell the chat already. I just said it. So 1, 2, 3. Get the killing. Already died. Oh my God, let me be. Just immediately attack me when I just said that. Yo. Kill. I suck at this game. I should not have this gun. It's really rare. Not really rare. It's just 90 coins, and you can only watch one ad just to get 150. So it doesn't take that long to get it, but still very powerful. It's like a multi-kill gun. Kill. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Get up here, and boom, and boom, and boom, shakalaka, dance and a laka, and I'm just killing everybody because I'm the owner of the server, man. Hurry up. What are you doing, man? Oh my, what was I aiming at, bro? My phone went the complete other way. Chickinator. Lickinator. Did I just... I should be, who's Omar? Omar Sabali, question mark? Oh, I want to kill that person who's just AFK over there. Oh my... Stop! Omar, stop it. Omar, I'm gonna kill... Just go the other way. I don't want to go crazy. I hate you when they just do this. That's not... I just growled. I'm an idiot. Let me be. Die. Oh my god, a stupid ugly ad I'm a cut. Guys, when I cut the ad, I clicked like the screen recorder over here. It's not popping up for you, it's popping up next to me. It's like under the back button right there in the left of the corner screen. Is under that. Yeah, when I cut, that activated the ad, so I just instantly went to the freaking Play Store to try to download the app. But good news, I didn't download it actually. So let's continue kindling. Yo, I got cooked. Oh my god. So laggy. If I just turn the screen recorder off, I will be the most unlaggy person here. Let me be okay. Since I attacked first, he's just killing me over and over and over again. If I just don't spawn for 10 seconds, what will happen? It instantly killed me, yeah. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. That rocket launcher is so much cheaper and so much freaking powerful. Oh my god, I don't want to freaking throw my phone across the whole room. Lily, stop being picky. What? I'm the 7-year-old. Or 10 XP, I don't want to hear it. Oh, come on. That didn't count. Hacker alert. How did... For the stupid rocket launcher, if you look the completely other way, I need to speak under... Let me just stop yapping and turn on my English mode. Please, I'm speaking gibberish at this point. Come on. What the hell did I just say? Oh yeah, ma? What? Did I just say Oli up and ends on your ma? Did I just say that? Get out. Get out. Get out. Just get... Now I'm feeling dizzy. I'm getting destroyed in front of Cam. Alright. What the hacker was that? I big. Now because my bones, I just not kill. I thought I killed him. Hey, yeah. And I die. Shoot. 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 Big mistake. Big old mistake. Both of us killed. Sit on the toilet. Ad. You need to stop with the others. Again, a stupid ad just immediately takes me back to the menu screen. So I have to join back. I hate this. I hate this. Hussein is still up, and it's the most popular one. Oh my god. This is our last one. 2 minutes and I don't know 1 second. Hey! Oh my god. But I remember that dude from a long time ago. Not that dude I'm fighting right now who just killed me. What am I looking at? Yeah, I deserve the title. Die. Yeah, get out of it. Really get the heck out of here. You need to get the heck out. I need to stop talking like that. It's weird. No, I don't like weird stuff. Because I don't want to. Can I just spawn it in the other freaking side? So laggy. How am I supposed to fight with this lag? Hello? Oh. Give me a second, guys. I'm back. The thing just texted my dad, and my dad's like messages and stuff is in my message and content. Sorry if I'm not talking because my mom is literally right next to me, and I'm waiting for my dad because the bank literally texted him. Oh my! Okay, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great and amazing day. Bye, guys.